You asked, how to divide 2780 by 2 using the long division method. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1390.